If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature for your Wise account, follow these simple steps to manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with the auto-renewal you want to stop. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile icon or settings gear. Step 3. Find subscription or payment options. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled Subscription, Payments, or Billing. This area contains details about your current subscriptions and payment methods. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. In the subscription section, find the option for auto-renewal. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to turn off auto-renewal. Click or tap to disable this feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that the auto-renewal has been successfully stopped. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Wise subscription and prevent any unwanted charges in the future.